Look what I just got from Haltech. They have a steering wheel now. Look at this. Perforated leather, 350mm, black with perforation, yellow stitching. Wow, look at the packaging on this thing. That's kind of fancy. Too bad I end up just throwing these things away, but I might just keep this packaging. Okay, this I'll touch with my bare hands because this is obviously leather, so it's perforated right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And it's got the gradient Haltech on here. Obviously this is aluminum, and then it's kind of like a goldish yellow. It's not like the vivid yellow that my car's generally seen in, but this is not bad. Does this go right here? Oh, this is like a spacer? This is a converter? What is this? Typically, I don't use this type of steering wheel. As you can see, it's concave, so it pops out a little bit more. So if you want your steering wheel to come closer to you, this is a great steering wheel. You can also use the flat version that's on my car right now. You see the bolt pattern here? The bolts start on the left and right side. This starts at the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock side. So this just bolts in first. You put this on, and then, yeah, that's kind of interesting. I've never noticed that on some steering wheels. So popping this off is super easy. I use these torque bolts. I like the torque bolts better because you don't mar up the hex, and you can tighten them down a lot more. Literally, you can torque them down more. How funny. So here's the difference between the two steering wheels. This is a flat, which I like because I space out my steering wheel out, and then this one right here is obviously concave. See that? So installing this is super easy. I guess I'm just gonna take this, right? And then I have spare bolts right here. These are longer bolts, by the way. So this is just from my kit. I'm sure you can use their kit, but I have my own bolts, so why not? So what you do is you install these guys on your existing hub, right? And then it changes the bolt pattern for your use. It's kind of cool, actually. So here, let me back this out. I don't like blasting all the bolts before I have all of them in, because sometimes you need to tweak it. You need to move it around. So yeah, installing this is super easy. I don't generally use a 350mm steering wheel because I think it's just a little too big for my liking, but we'll just use it for the sake of this video, see how it looks. Okay, now that's in or on. You take one of your bolts, pop it on. Without that adapter, this would be very lopsided because the bolt pattern is totally different. So I guess that's what it was for. Thought it was just a spacer, but yeah, I guess it acts like a spacer. So this really brings it back by a lot. I've never had a Grip Royal steering wheel before, so yeah, I didn't know that the bolt pattern's different. Okay, take your horn button, pop it on. Voila! Whoa, that's a lot closer. But look at the size difference. Put it on the bottom right here.